What is Elasticsearch? It's a powerful distributed search engine designed for the cloud, capable of lightning-fast searches across huge datasets.
Instead of searching every box in the warehouse, Elasticsearch uses an inverted index to instantly locate the data you need, retrieving the red hat quickly and efficiently.
Imagine you have 100,000 records and you need to find pending orders from Hyderabad. A traditional database is like searching through those papers page by page. Elasticsearch is like a smart librarian who instantly points you to the exact shelf. Elasticsearch is a distributed, open-source search and analytics engine built on the powerful Apache Lucene. It stores your data as Dassault documents and uses a specialized inverted index to make searching incredibly fast. In the Pega world, we use Elasticsearch to power smart searches for case data, work lists, and complex reports. We send Pega-formatted data to the engine and query it effortlessly using standard REST APIs. In a database, you think in terms of rows inside a table. In Elasticsearch, we think of documents inside an index. Each document is a flexible Dassault object that describes a single case or work item in your application. An index is similar to a database name, like Casework Index. Inside, mappings define how each field behaves, whether it's text, a date, or a number. Pega automatically maps your case classes to these specific indices. Elasticsearch runs as a cluster of nodes. Every index is split into pieces called shards, allowing the data and processing load to be distributed. This architecture makes your search both highly scalable and fault-tolerant. Elasticsearch builds what's called an inverted index. It maps specific words to a list of documents where they appear. This is the secret to why it can find every pending case across millions of records in mere milliseconds. Everything happens via REST APIs. You use POST to add a document, get to read it, and delete to remove it. Behind the scenes, Pega handles all these calls to Elasticsearch so you don't have to. Mapping is the schema for your index. In Pega's search and reporting configuration, you define which fields are text, numbers, or dates. This determines exactly how your data is indexed and how it can be searched later. Elasticsearch excels at full-text search. It handles phrases, fuzzy matches for typos, and even synonyms. For example, even if a user types pending with a missing letter, the engine will still find the pending cases they need. The engine also supports powerful aggregations. This allows you to count cases by status or region instantly. In Pega reports, this functionality provides real-time summary charts and dashboards on massive amounts of data. Every search match gets a relevance score. Elasticsearch prioritizes documents where your search terms appear more frequently or closer together. Pega then uses these scores to order your work lists and reports by importance. Elasticsearch operates in near real time. Once you index a document, it becomes searchable in about 1 second. This means that in Pega, any new case created is available in search results almost immediately. Integration is handled through the Pega Search API. When you use a search portlet or a search rule, Pega sends the query to Elasticsearch and automatically translates the Dassault results back into your user interface. Use the database for simple, web queries and key-based lookups. Switch to Elasticsearch when you need complex text search, filtering by many different fields simultaneously, or high-performance dashboards with data aggregations. For peak performance, only index the fields you actually search, choose the correct data types, and tune your shard count. In Pega, avoid sending massive blobs or unnecessary properties to the Elasticsearch engine. Security is key. Elasticsearch uses roles and permissions to secure data. In most Pega scenarios, you'll guard access at the Pega layer, allowing Elasticsearch to focus entirely on providing the fastest search results possible. Because it's distributed, Elasticsearch is resilient. If one node fails, replicas stored on other nodes automatically take over to keep your data available. Operations continue smoothly with absolutely minimal downtime. Let's recap. Elasticsearch stores Dassault documents, uses inverted indices for speed, runs in clusters for scale, and powers the advanced search and analytics you see throughout the Pega platform. Ready to start? As a Pega developer, begin by practicing search and reporting configurations and observing how indices are built. Then, experiment with simple queries in Dev Studio or Kibana to see your case data in action. Thanks for your time. Please do suggest new topics that you need explanation and do follow for more update, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Signing off. Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan.